Welcome to this tutorial on how to change your Schwab Dividend Reinvestment settings. If you want more control over your dividends, you've come to the right place. In just a few simple steps, you can adjust your preferences to suit your financial goals. First, log into your Schwab account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab located at the top of the page. From there, select the account in which you want to change your dividend reinvestment settings. Next, look for the section that deals with dividend reinvestment. This might be labeled as Dividend Options or something similar. Click on that link to bring up your current settings. You will typically see options to reinvest dividends automatically, receive them in cash, or even choose a mixed strategy. Make your desired selection and be sure to review any additional information that may be provided. Finally, confirm your changes by clicking on the appropriate button, such as Submit or Save. After this, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your preferences have been updated. Remember that it may take a little while for these changes to take effect, so check back later to ensure your settings are as you intended. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your investment strategy.